Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I show you how to create your Miro account step by step so you can start collaborating and brainstorming with your team right away. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. First, open your web browser and go to miro.com/signup. Once you're on the sign up page, you can choose how you want to register, either by entering your name, work email, and a password, or by signing up through Google, Slack, Office 365, Apple ID, or Facebook. After choosing your method, fill out your details, agree to Miro's terms and privacy policy, and click Get Started Now. You can also decide whether you want to receive product updates. That part's totally optional. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Miro. Click the confirmation link or enter the code they send you to verify your account. Be sure to complete this within 7 days to keep your profile active. And that's it. Your Miro account is now ready to go. Start exploring the dashboard, create your first board, and invite teammates to collaborate. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and comment below what tutorial you want next.